because my dumbass for some reason thought newspapers were free. I was oblivious until my college boyfriend finally saw me do it and pointed out I was stealing. Oopsies. 4. I was traveling, and on one leg of the trip, what I thought was a 2-hour layover, was actually a 26-hour one. I didn't have the right visa to leave the airport, and the customs guy said I wouldn't be able to stay overnight. So I asked him if I could buy a visa anywhere at the airport. He gave me a price, but it was in the local currency and I didn't know the exchange rate. The ATM would only dispense US dollars for an American card, so I took out $100 and went back to the desk. I handed the customs official the money and asked, "Is this enough?" It wasn't until I saw him put it in his pocket before stamping my passport that I realized I had just paid a bribe. 5. Riding a bike after drinking. Apparently that's a DUI. I was on private property though.